What's up guys, we're back and today is a freaking awesome day. We are taking the Sonvia down to Glen Garage to get those boxes put in. That's all the MoTeC gear. Alright, I'm running really late, I just finished work. Quickly got the Sonvia onto the trailer and obviously hooked the van up. And yeah, we got to drive like maybe hour and a half through traffic into the city to drop the car off to Glen Garage and get CC to work his magic, so let's do it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it's 40 freaking degrees today. God damn it. It's been about 40 degrees every day this week. So, hopefully when CC tunes the car it won't be a 40 degree day, but can't really do much about that. We made it guys, record pace, and this is literally your one-stop shop. Glen Garage. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour of the joint if I can. I know everyone's in a bit of a hurry to leave today, so that's why I'm trying to get here in a hurry, like straight after work. But yeah, I'll give you a quick rundown of the shop and we'll do a quick overview on what we're going to do on the Sonvia. Okay, let's unload it and get it in there so then they can pack up. Okay, so we're here at Glen Garage. We got the man CC right behind me. He's busy on the S14 customer car here, 2.2 litre. And street car, yeah?
Yeah, street car, bit of both, street and track, yeah.
Yep. So everything's here, all the MoTeC gear. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an insight into this workshop and what they do here. Because like I said before, they're like literally a one-stop shop. They go, what, next door's a panel shop?
Full panel, full crash shop, insurance work, bits and pieces, resto jobs, so yeah.
So they literally do everything. They got, yeah, from what, absolute
stock standard Lancers to HQ race cars to any old
Jesus.
Restos, some Ferraris, Euro stuff, bits and pieces. So.
Far out. So I'll chuck a link in the description below. Like CC's a busy man doing tuning and building cars and whatnot, but if you guys want to inquire about anything, feel free to hit them up. There's like, what, how many people working here?
18, yeah.
Jesus, man. And it's a tiny little shop when you think about it.
It's not too bad.
Crazy. So they got all that. They got wheel lining machine, and then they got CC's little hive here. Dyno tuning cell, and yeah, he literally does rally cars, drift cars, time attack cars, covers anything from MoTeC, Link, Power FC, FCon, Niztune, all that stuff. He can do it all. Yeah, I won't mention any others. But yeah, so we got all the MoTeC stuff here. Pretty excited about this. CC's gonna get cracking into this thing tomorrow, and he's gonna rip all the HowTech stuff out, and yeah, we'll get cracking on putting all the MoTeC stuff in. It's gonna be freaking awesome. All right. Oh, well, I'll get out of CC's hair now and let the boys get busy. So I made him turn the radio off, compressor, everything. I feel bad. All right, CC. Cheers, bro. We'll be back, guys. See you later.